Oyaore, Oyimore, Irionade. Good morning, good evening. How have you been? Welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. And today we're going to talk about nouns and both plural and singular that start with the word C, the letter C. If you're new to this channel, please watch through the videos that we have here because we have a lot of resources and you can be able to see what we've been doing for the last 1 year or so. Welcome. Let's talk about C, and the first one we talk about is chai. Chai. Chai is not a Luo word. Chai is a Swahili word and it means tea. And many tea, if you have many teas, you call them chache. Chache. Chiel. Chiel is a hedge, the hedge of or a compound fence. Chiel is called Chiende. Chiende. That is many hedges. Chokruok. Chokruok is a gathering, and chokruok is called chokruoge. Chokruoge. That is many gatherings. Chik. Law. Chik. Chike. Chike. Chik is the law. Chike, laws. Chogo. Chogo. Choke. Choke. Chogo is a bone. Chwe. Chwe. Chwe is a leech. Chwe. Chweche. Chweche. Chweche, leeches, chweche. Chuma. Chuma. Chumbe. Chumbe. So those are metals. And chuma is also a Swahili word that has been assimilated into Luo. Chula. Chula. Chula is an island. Chulini. Chulini. The I is silent, so you say Chulni. Chulni. Chong. Chong. Chong is a knee, one knee. Chong. Chonge. Chonge. Many knees. So those are the only words I could find that start with C. That is the nouns that start with C. If you have any more, please send them to this email address and we'll be glad to add them to future videos. Otherwise, thank you so much, and please visit our website and just see what we have there. There are very many downloads that are for free, and we encourage you to download this and start practicing with your kids and everybody else wants to learn Luo. Alrighty, goodbye.